Delta 53, wind 070 degrees 9 knots, runway 16, cleared for takeoff.
Clear for takeoff, runway 16, Delta 53.
Delta 53, just to confirm, you're aware your gear is still out.
Delta 53, looks like we have a malfunction. Stand by.
Roger. Delta 53, if it's okay for you, I would send you over to departure, and we see from the tower that the nose wheel is in, but the main landing gear, both of them are still out.
Yeah, Delta 53, we're going to need to come back and land.
That's okay. Are you fine to do a frequency change to departure?
Affirmative.
Roger, Delta 53, contact Zurich departure 125.955.
125.955, Delta 53, good day. Departure, Delta 53.
Delta 53, departure, hello, climb to 6,000 feet, you're identified.
Delta 53, we'd like to declare an emergency. It looks like our landing gear has malfunction. We need to come back and land.
Delta 53, roger, that's copy. Please climb to 6,000 feet and Mayday is copied.
Okay, 6,000, and what heading do you want for Delta 53?
Delta 53, make it heading 360.
Heading 360, Delta 53.